Click on the Initiate button. Insert the priming spike into 1 liter of normal saline until the saline bag is flush with the disc on the priming spike. Press the Add Fluid key to begin prime. Clamp all end spikes of the therapy multi-line adapter. If you are using the optional fluid warmer, follow the on-screen instructions to load and prime it. If you are not using the optional fluid warmer, follow the instructions in Quick Start Note NC2939, Removal of Warmer Bag. Your manager or educator can obtain this from the NX Documents website. Set up the waistline by securing the end of the waistline extension to the IV pole. At this point, do not connect it to the cartridge. Remove the end cap from the other end and then position it in the drain. Do not submerge the end of the waistline. Once the prime and alarms test is complete, the machine will chime. You will then verify the first display test, the 8s. If all the light segments are lit, press the mute key to confirm. The machine will chime again for the second display test. Compare the numbers and letters displayed to the picture in OneView Step 9. Press mute to confirm. Verify the 23 in the top window, indicating that the system is in recirculation. You have not yet completed all the steps required before connecting the cartridge. Do not push stop. Do not clamp lines or make cartridge connections. Do not connect the patient to the device. Remove the air from the blood circuit by snapping the lines beginning at the priming spike. Locate the filter on the left side of the cycler. Remove it from the cartridge and then gently tap the filter using the palm of your hand several times. Place the filter in the filter holder with the post-filter port upright. Prime the post-filter ports. Snap the venous patient line all the way back to the saline bag. Press stop. Confirm that your facility's default treatment rates are displayed. Prime is now completed. All pumps are stopped and all safety alarms are armed. You are in Patient Connect mode. Prime the arterial T's. You have completed the steps in Prime.